अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ के साथ मैं हूं मुगीस सकम। खबर शामिल करते हैं पंजाब से। मोहम्मद उस्मान सुलेहिया की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक गवर्नर हाउस लाहौर में तुर्किया के 102वें कौमी दिन की तकरीब का इनेकाद। तकरीब की मेज़बानी तुर्की के कौंसल जनरल महमद एमन शमशेक ने की। स्पीकर पंजाब असम्बली मलिक मोहम्मद एबन खान की तकरीब में बतौर खसूसी शिरकत। सूबाई वज़ीर सनत तजारत चौधरी शाफी हुसैन की तकरीब में शिरकत। चीन के लाहौर कौंसल जनरल ज़ाओशी जिंग की शिरकत। अमरीका लाहौर कौंसलेट के पॉलिटिकल ऑफिसर समेत मुख्तलिफ मालिक के सफारती नुमाइंदों की शिरकत। पाकिस्तान और तुर्की के ताल्लुकात दिलों के रिश्ते पर कायम हैं। दोनों मालिक के दरमियान एतमाद और तावन मुसलसल मजबूत हो रहा है। तुर्किया ने हमेशा मुश्किल हालात में पाकिस्तान का साथ दिया। पाकिस्तान अवाम तुर्किया के अवाम को अपना हकीकी और मुखलस भाई समझते हैं। पाकिस्तान ने हर दौर में तुर्किया की हिमायत की। पाकिस्तान और तुर्की की दोस्ती बाहमी एहतराम और भाईचारे की अलामत है। दोनों माली तजारत, तालीम और सरमायाकारी के शोबों में ताउन मजीद बढ़ाएंगे। तुर्किया पाकिस्तान को अपने दिल के बहुत करीब रखता है।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's an honor to welcome.
I thank the Consulate General of Republic of Turkey in Lahore, His Excellency Mr. Mehmet Emin Şimşek, for inviting as chief guest at the Republic Day. On the 102nd Republic Day and on the anniversary, and I would be very fair in saying that for the freedom you have fought, Turkey have well maintained it. That fight fought a century ago for the principles and the values you fought for, your ancestors fought for. You have well preserved them and taken the baton well in today's day and time. I must appreciate the Turkey's efforts for peace in world. Turkey has played a role of leadership in forging peace all around the globe, and we have seen these recent examples in the role they played in the conflict in Middle East, the role they played in our part of this world, in this South Asian region. Turkey's role was commendable. I must say that relationship between Pakistan and Turkey are based upon very solid foundations. His Excellency rightly said that it is heart to heart. Yes, it is heart to heart, Excellency. We are like brother nations. We are together in times of difficulties. We have our arrangements for security, for trade. Our diplomatic fronts are collectively engaged in dealing with different issues at hand, may it be bilateral or multilateral. And I must say that the history you carry on, the one my dear friend and colleague was just like narrating that story, every stone laid in Turkey, every city tells the story. Its heritage, its history, journey through centuries. And yes, we have few common grounds. That's again very important to share with. We have a very solid friendship, undoubtedly. We have great trade routes, great trade history, undoubtedly. We have a history of Pakistan and Turkey of fighting out their crisis at the time of need in a manner unprecedented. So, Excellencies, I just sharing my 2 cents on this, that Pakistan and Turkey just don't walk like friends. They go hand in hand like brothers. Thank you very much.